Hi, I'm Peggy Venable, and we are here at the very tail end of the C-SCOPE debate at the University of Texas campus at Tyler. It was Senator Dan Patrick and State SBOE Vice Chairman Thomas Ratliff debating the merits or problems with C-SCOPE, and one of the people who has been involved from early on in this process, really trying to focus on what the problems are with this set of lesson plans, is Mary Lynn Gershenslager from Eagle Forum. Mary Lynn, thanks for joining me.
Well, thank you for asking me to be with you.
Now, tell me, what did you think about tonight's debate, and tell the folks here, some who may have missed it, what you learned, if anything, from tonight's debate?
Well, I was very excited that so many people showed up. First of all, I would say there may be 300 seats in this room, and most of them were filled. And I thought that was great to show the interest that people came from such a long distance. At the end of the summer, when people are getting ready to send their kids back to school, summer's over, just about, and
it just tells us how controversial this is and how interested the public is, doesn't it?
And I was pleased that it was live streamed by On Point Broadcasting so that people at home could watch it. It'll be archived so they can see it again or tell their friends to watch it at On Point Broadcasting. And I thought that the questions asked were outstanding. I thought it was a very lively debate, and I thought that Thomas Ratliff and Senator Dan Patrick were gentlemen and respectful of one another, and it was a very lively debate. The questions were great, and I thought it brought a lot of things to the public that they would learn.
It did, didn't it? You know, I have to say the room was pretty well divided. I do think that the educrats that were here didn't act as well as the anti-school C-SCOPE folks did. It seems like some of them, I have said before, should be sent to the principal's office. They acted rather badly, but